Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TechTrader.com. It's Wednesday, April 17th. These are the charts of the day. Another ugly day on Wall Street. And we're going to show you some longs and shorts again. There's some stocks moving. Look at ACRV. Basically, since February, when it was trading down around 319, and a week ago when it spiked to 1190, it's a stock that's got up almost 300%. But after consolidating in this wedge now, today it popped about 9%. It's not a heavily traded stock, but this might be a stock that trades at up to 14. Keep an eye on it and stop under about 8 3/4. ALXo popped today in the midst of a lousy market. Spiked from 14.49 to 17 plus and ended up just under 16, up 146. A 10% gain. It's at resistance. If it gets through here, you might see a stock at 20. ARM on the downside, short. I'll cover that a little later when we get to the short side. BDTX, BDTX, Black Diamond Therapeutics breaking out of an ascending bull wedge with a pop, which reached from 532 to 621. 585 was the close, up 47 cents, almost 9%, nearly a million traded, the biggest volume in 3-4 weeks. Looks to me like we're headed to 7 and 8. Rani, I'm only showing you this because it's been up literally for about 3 weeks every day, except for this one little blip right there. But the volume was heavy today, and it's coming up into a resistance zone, so be careful. If there is a momentum follow through, it could be 11 or 12, but be ultra careful with this one. STTK, 4 months of consolidation, and today a pop of $1.18 or 13%. Tell me we may be emerging. If we emerge out of this, it could be a big one into the low to mid-teens. UAL exploded today. Although the earnings weren't great, the comments were very strong. Wall Street liked it. The stock rocketed 7 points to 48.5, 17% gain on 68 million shares. Significant volume. Don't know how much further it can go short term, but I wouldn't be shocked to see low 50s. WiSA, yesterday's monster day, was followed up with another beautiful day today. Up another 52% on the mere 70 or 87 million shares, paltry compared to over 200 million yesterday, but a big day. You can see the gap was filled here. It may back filled somewhat. The extension target, however, is 13. ZUO broke out of a base, so it looks like it got up to resistance today, spiking from 8.5 to over 10 and finishing 946, up 99 cents, 11% gain, 10 million traded. Could be extending it. If it does, 10 3/4, 11.5 are your targets. Now on the short side, let's look at the Bucks and shorts list for today. The ones I want to highlight. ADSK, well, after giving you a swing short at 248, today's low of 107 is more than 40 points down in a week, so I'll take it. I hope you guys made some money on that one. AKAM came down hard and bounced. We called this a tech trader swing short. It went from 112 to 100. We may be seeing just the beginning of a much bigger down move. It takes it to the low 90s, low 80s. ARM broke a key multi-week coil and may be headed for at least a test of the gap at about 91.2. BRZE broke down from the bear flag. We put it on our tech trader swing list this week, short list, I should say, and it has rolled over to test support. Your next target is 35 and then 30. CAR rolling over looks pretty nasty to me. I think if it gets below 99, 100, you might see 80 or 85. Carvana may be breaking here. It had a negative engulfing reversal day or near that. Targets 58 and 50. Fox Factory, which we were talking about here short in the high 60s, has made it all the way down to low 40s. It looks like it could be mid-30s before not too long. LITE head and shoulder broke, and it's been drifting back down first target at 41.2. Next target, 39, and then 35. New York Times about to break. It actually broke today, dropping to 41.60, where just below key support. Your next target is 39.5, and then 36 thereabout. And finally, PVH broke down. It's forming a negative bear looks like a falling wedge, but boy, I'll tell you what, this might be a 91.2 before not too long, if not worse. That's a look at some of the hot longs and shorts at detectradio.com. Good night, everybody, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.